Hello everyone, my name is Collin Scherer, PFR Operations Manager.
Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Malcomson, a regional agronomist from Central Illinois.
And we are going to be the speakers at Effingham Becknology Days talking about all things fungicide on tour number 3. Andrew, what are we going to be talking about on this tour?
So in soybeans, we're going to be covering a ground rig application versus a aerial drone application. We're also going to be talking about additives, adjuvants, and a whole lot more.
On corn, we're going to be looking at that ground versus drone also, but we're taking that a step further, looking at carrier rate with the drone, looking at that 2, 2.5, and 3 gallon carrier rate with that aerial application. We're also going to be talking about fungicide systems. We're going to be talking about fungicide carrier rate. If you guys are interested in about any of those topics about fungicide, be sure to check out tour number 3 with Andrew and I at Effingham Becknology Days.